Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze columns in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Sheets app. And here it opens up like this. Now we have to select a document that we want to work on. Then after it loads, we have to select the tab that we work on, and then tap on the triangle next to the name of it, scroll down and tap on freeze columns. As we increase this number, the number of columns that we have froze is going to increase. So for example, right now it's only the A and B column that are frozen, but we can increase it to others as well, and then decrease them similarly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.